Meet Bob. Bob used to sit in the office every day wondering how he could earn an extra income to supplement his salary. Bob searched for ways to make money online and came across a ton of different things he could do. Bob is also a wise man and always researched everything he encountered. While doing his research, he came across a term known as affiliate marketing, which he found to be very promising. In his research, he found that affiliate marketing basically means that he can get paid for selling someone else's products or services. The products can be physical or digital, and the commission amounts vary depending on what company he affiliated himself with. Bob was very excited, thinking that he was going to make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing. However, he soon found out that it wasn't as easy as he thought. You see, when Bob got started as an affiliate marketer, he turned to social media and pasted his affiliate links all over the place, hoping for people to engage with him and buy his products. But what did he get instead? What Bob didn't realize at the time was that he was now a spammer. Luckily for Bob, he decided to do a little more research and invest in himself, as he realized that he needed to upskill himself to become an effective affiliate marketer. He then came across a platform where he learned that he first needed to choose his niche and then his audience, and then build and grow that audience by collecting their email addresses. Bob was very impressed with this training platform, and he was able to see where he went wrong in the past. Things finally started to make sense to him, and as he implemented what he learned, the commissions started rolling in. Through his education, Bob went on to be a very successful affiliate marketer. Today, Bob is very grateful for the training he got, because he knows that he would not have been successful without it. Do what Bob did and click the link below right now to get step-by-step training on how to do affiliate marketing or grow an online business from scratch.